Hi, I'm Jen, and today we're going to show today's number one top curls. To begin with these curls, we're going to start in the front, and as we are curling the hair, we're going to let the curls come out of the curling iron but still twist them. This is going to help create a softer curl. We're going to do this for the first 2 rows on both top and sides. When curling, we want to also leave out the last few inches of the hair. This will create a softer look and gives it a more lived-in appearance. As we get to the 3rd row, which is typically around the back crown section, we're going to curl that going forward or towards our face. This is going to help push the curls and also give it a textured look so that the curls don't become one huge curl. Again, we're going to curl the hair and pull it out of the barrel as it gets warmer to create a softer curl. We're going to repeat the steps on the side that we did on the top. The first 2 rows going backwards, and then the 3rd curl going towards our face. As we move on to the sections where we have our rows of hair extensions, we want to take about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch thickness of the hair extensions and take 1 row at a time to curl the hair. We're going to alternate each of these curls going backwards and forwards to help create more texture and movement in the hair. When we get to the end, you can use a flat iron, the curling iron, or just leave them out to keep them smooth to create a softer look. Make sure there is no knots in the section of the hair before you curl the hair. If you leave in a knot while curling the hair, you're going to burn the knot into the hair and make it harder to remove and also cause damage and breakage to the hair. When curling each piece, try to separate your natural hair from the hair extensions, as the two will curl differently. So to create a more cohesive curl, try to curl them separately.
Okay, so we now have our curls done. We're going to use a wide tooth comb and I'm just going to carefully brush through the hair.
We're going to use a textured spray to help break up the curls and give it a more natural look. You can also use a texture paste to do this instead. By gently rubbing your hands together, you can break up the curl a little bit more.